Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and today we learn what is Spring Boot. Let's start. What is Spring Boot? Spring Boot is a Java MVC framework and Spring Boot is most popular Java framework. With the help of Spring Boot, you can create enterprises level of web application and APIs. Spring Boot is famous for their security, fast development, and no configuration features. It means with the help of Spring Boot, you can develop securest web project and speedy development, easy to handle all jar file and supporting files with the help of Spring Boot maven dependencies. You're all focused to only logic. Other thing you can leave on Spring Boot.